Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to find MAC address on Android. In Android is essential for troubleshooting network connectivity issues and configuring network security settings, so let's start the video to get MAC address on Android. Now open Settings. In that, search for More Settings. Inside that, open About. Then search for MAC address. That's it, you have find your MAC address, which is the Wi-Fi MAC address. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more. And hit the like button if you found this helpful. And let me know what you thought in the comments below.